Hi, I'm Bob, and I would like to introduce you to the Plug Master, a tool to make working on duplex receptacles faster, easier, and safer. The Plug Master has diagnostic lights, leveling bubbles, and also side covers to protect you from the outlet terminals. Now let me show you how the Plug Master works. I have already removed the finished plate. With the side covers attached, you simply plug the Plug Master into the receptacle. And as you can see, the diagnostic lights show that the outlet is live and is wired properly. Now normally I would tell you to turn off the power. However, I am going to work the receptacle live just for demonstration's sake. Don't forget, I am a professional electrician. Now what you do is simply remove the screws. And remove your receptacle from the wall. Now even if you have turned off the power, there could still be other live wires in the box. You could disturb a loose splice, a pinched wire, and possibly cause a short. This tool could protect you from a flash. To reinstall the outlet, you just push the receptacle back into the wall, tighten your screws, and now use your leveling bubble to make sure that your receptacle is installed straight. Remove your Plug Master and reinstall your faceplate, and the job is complete. This tool is perfect for pros, rehabbers, do-it-yourselfers, and homeowners. For more information on the Plug Master, you can go to uniontoolcompany.com.